Rosetta averages 148 points per bowling game, standard deviation of 14 points. Well, that's great. Good for Rosetta. This is the shorthand notation, okay? This says something is normally distributed with a mean of 148, so the first number after the n is the mean, and it's got a standard deviation of 14. Suppose Rosetta scores 110 points on the game on Thursday. Well, 110 is below average, right? So if we wanted to have an idea of exactly how far below average, we could calculate a z-score. Okay? A z-score tells you how extraordinary something is. So we're asked to calculate a z-score for 110. And here's the z-score formula in case it's the first time you spotted it. The z-score formula is found by taking a number you're trying to convert to a z-score, subtract it by the mean, then divide by the standard deviation. So our mean, the number we're trying to convert is 110. Our mean is 148. Our standard deviation is 14. So 110 subtracted by 148, divided by 14. That makes negative 2.7143. Carry out some decimals, make Newton happy. Round to 3 decimal places. So our z-score is negative 2.714. And the mean is, they tell us, is 148. Right? That's how much they average per game. That's the first number in the normal distribution shorthand notation. So this z-score tells you that x equals 110 is negative 2.714 standard deviations to the left of the mean. That's what a z-score is. It tells you how many standard deviations you are away from the mean. So a z-score of 2 means you're 2 standard deviations above the mean. A z-score of negative 1 means you're 1 standard deviation below the mean. Oh, what did I do wrong here? 3 decimal places. Rosetta scores 110 points the game on Thursday. Did I do the formula right? I think I did. 110 subtracted by 148 divided by 14. That looks good. Negative 2.714. That's 3 decimal places. The mean is 148. That's true. And the z-score tells you that x is, oh, it doesn't want a negative sign, that's why. Because they say to the left of the mean. Left of the mean, that takes care of the negative sign. So sorry about that. Just for this part, you don't have to type in the negative sign because they're saying to the left of the mean. That's already implied there.